they don't understand Tshebesebe or let alone know anything about that. So, Mr. So, we want to appetize, we want to give you the whole idea of how a university or a college is like, you understand? So, I hope that you'll get the gist of what we're trying to achieve today and moving forward. I'll be doing my postgraduate, my second degree at University of Witwatersrand in geography, majoring in issues of climate as well as socio-political aspects of South Africa, and dealing also with education on how we can transform them. But I want to encourage you, most importantly, to read. Okay? Guys, when you get home, not only your classwork or your textbooks, read extra material, you understand. Magazines that you have at home, read them so that you are able to comprehend the language of English and you are able to speak effectively, you understand. So being a learner doesn't necessarily mean that you only read what you are required to, okay? Especially you, given that you are matric learners. So please guys, read so that at some point you'll be able to communicate effectively and efficiently, alright? And also you'll be able to know a lot of things, alright? And that's what we are encouraging as FBA. We encourage the culture of reading and educational excellence. With the aspects of excellence, we are saying get distinctions. Don't just pass, you understand? Don't just get a higher certificate and say, no passing. It's not going to get you anywhere, you understand? To get to university, you need a bachelor. And you don't just need a bachelor, you need a decorated, highly decorated bachelor with some distinctions here and there, or you understand? So you need to do that. But how do you do that? You need to start today investing your time in your studies. If there is a boyfriend, tell them to relax for now. Say this year I'm focusing on my studies. Because this year you're going to plan for it. I'm going to focus on my studies each and every day, every week until the end of the year. So, boyfriend, or else, boyfriend, then the choice is yours. At least it's very good. And all I'm saying, so no, it's not like that. So I get it. When you pass with distinctions, this is what is going to happen. Bursaries are going to run after you. When I did my matric, I passed not only with distinctions, but I was a top learner. In our class of matric, we were 129. And then the bursary looked for me. I didn't, but that's not what I'm encouraging you. I'm encouraging, with that, I'm encouraging you get distinctions and excel to the best of your ability. Then people will look for you. But you should also apply for bursaries, because you understand? So go out there and make sure or you put my page at that grade level where we know about it. So at what they minimum level one, they set the standard, take it to the next level. So bursaries are going to run after you. Even if, for example, mechanical engineering, we both meet the minimum requirements. So we get 60% and above in all our subjects. Now I don't only get 60%, I get distinctions. So what should you yes, of course. Thank you very much. You excel. So that because there are hundreds and millions of people writing matric and very few are selected. Thousands of applications get to institutions of higher learning, and only very few are chosen. Be the very few that will be chosen. I believe we're at some point, at one stage of our lives, I will meet you at VES, I will meet you at UJ, I will meet you at UP, and you'll be the very people who are coming to Mahwetse and saying, we want to take you with us. But I'm hoping that you're getting what we are saying. Yeah? So another important thing to gather information. You know, when you're going for a war, what are you expecting? Defeat. If you are doing matric, you don't have a study guide, you don't have past papers, you don't have a study partner, you don't even have a group to study with. Accept defeat already. Say that I'm defeated, but acknowledge that defeat and say, I acknowledge the defeat, but it's very early. FBA and MYP has come to tell me that these are the strategies. You should study together, form a group, study together, have a partner, and also have a group. And also look for past papers. Go to your teachers. But the most important aspect, have a study partner, have a group, and gather information also in terms of past papers, and also study guides. Don't want Jikabela, don't want the post Kipuri. Because we just feel a little fella raba, university. When they come back driving. We know vegetarian. I told her, that's the reality. And if we don't tell you the reality, if we don't deal with the real aspects, then we are not doing what we are supposed to be doing. I think this is the last point. This is the last point. Plan your life today. We knew that today we will be at Mahwetse. We knew yesterday, and we know what after this Ramutubar. We know what tomorrow. Don't live your life by chance. Don't live like that. Have a plan. Today, I'm going to do my homework. I'm going to prepare a test that is next week for grade. Don't prepare for a test today with Moswane. That's not the Ga-Masemola that we invest in. There is a Ga-Masemola of our dreams, and we want to achieve that with you. Say, if it is to be. If it is to be. If it is to be. It's up to me. It's up to me. If it is to happen. If it is to happen. I have to make it happen. I have to make it happen. Right? Thank you very much.
Most of you guys, reach out. Remember the wet background. now, get them up and make some of you guys know. I come from a poor background. I want to talk that attend the university. I'm only first one to be at varsity. That means my background is my motivation. Guys. The fact that doesn't mean you can't make it to university, guys. Let your poor background be your foundation to success. So, I'm talking about the more popular I get over maybe some of you are gonna figure some way. More like a poor. Title on my poor background. Therefore, it reads like this. It defines a lot about my yesterdays. It prepares me a lot for the future days. Being raised in poverty doesn't mean you can't grow. But oh, that's a thought of my own revelation. The wise does whatever it takes to resist the temptation. My brain groans with hunger for knowledge. Only when the brain is fed, the hunger can be healed. My background prepares me for my foreground. It defines only where I'm from and not where I'm going. It is true that every champion was once a contender that refused to give up. There could be no rainbow in my soul if there were never tears in my eyes.
Now I'm doing my fourth year at University of Limpopo and I study psychology. Then I did my grade 12 at grade 11. We did it to Saturday and that's all. School says where says disadvantage equal to but when I was so to you guys, then when they might be repeating me. So more enough first of all, sorry, but try to pick up, learn from your mistakes. More then this ever define where you're going. Mara determine where you're going because we learn from Jordan and then we rectify those mistakes. So now I'm still repeating the choices we make determine where we are going. If we now make the choices more stiffy or whatsoever, that's where you're going to end. Maybe we come out and say that this is the only government so that's not what we are encouraging you to do. Follow in our footsteps. Take education, use it. Success can train if ever certificate the fact remains they can't take that away from you. And you're going to make something out of it. Only illiterate. I say the opportunity in most cases, so if all educated, the opportunity to bright, get your distinctions, the bursary to the and all those things. It's because now when I was doing my matric, too much. I never studied. To such an extent, my family, they judge give up hope gannyaninyana so ba se ntseilele le selo para o a ye ba se next year ka mo ba phelang ka ona a ka se ba se but then due to the fact that the last changes ke le ka khona go kry-a bachelor yaka le ge e le gore a se a ba le distinction mara ebile le dipili then ka khona ke ya US. So now I was lucky. I don't know about you. When I was very lucky was Swanelina. And then to the just determine where you're going. Remember, about the school, you're not doing it for your parents. At this later stage, we feel Mutswadi wang katelela, hey Mutswadi wang komanya, andrate, why not this, why not that. But then we have to know Mutswadi is only trying to do the best for you. And then it's up to you to take the advice Now Mama used to say more when you fall down, ask yourself, am I a tree or am I a flower? Remember, a flower it can turn into a fruit. Mara fruit yela, ikanna ya vola ya jeki mutu, or ikanna ya jeki mutu te, and that's it. But if you are a tree, you're mushar, upila wemis, stand in a firm. No matter how much weather you change, hankawana wa fisha wa tonya, mushar uko no pila wemi letre. And mushar udira mablo wa manch, meaning udira the fruit tedinch. So when as a person, choose to be a tree, not a flower. Don't attract the busy to when I worry. Maybe if only cherry so. One tomorrow attract the magita when I will just make up all the time. When you go back to Sana or magita or Nagaraza. That's not what we want to smoke. Only Mujita always know as a tanga, I do not smoke one of those people who have been to Ga-Masemola. What's education? Try to take what they give you, what's going on, we should miss. And over like I own, it will be disappointed. Education, how we did a Mokalapa. Guys, but what's the battle last later? And about what I don't pretend there. Or when I come to class, when I know more, teacher, wow, I talk about seeking a report. Malakama we go political skills. I think I was and I practice. I know the relay. We look at just why couple as why there are sales. Next thing tomorrow we go in the village. Test the right to say, I will read our Mokalapa to our ish. Mokota, what you got to give to another child. You will put down or Mokotu will not take you anywhere. All you want to be your own friend. Take your books with the Shumisha if ever go to Barao. And then it's not how you start your journey that matters. What matters is how you end it. So how you are at the age of opening your own doors to success. So you use this opportunity. Information before you educate like those I offer information. Believe you in me, or go to and also to get the casserate to say one hour. But that's the only Lankisha, who plays all of us mad. Don't let your party combine you. Lumukul take a perfect round. Then I had a perfect round. I still have a perfect round. Then I'm the first one who issue out of Palama 6 or Yaba City. But I'm still there, and I'm still going to be there until the degree I'm getting a So guys, more who are you and what you want in life. Check your own aspects. When I self-accept, what do I want to move to?
So like, not the